Hey everyone, welcome to Learn Arabic with Zay. Today, we're learning the very first letter of the Arabic alphabet.
This beautiful letter called Alef. But Alef,
Makes three different sounds, depending on its tiny marks. Let's learn each one.
first sound Alef with a little dash above the letter. This mark is called Fatha.
This sounds like ah. Say it with me. Ah, like when the doctor says, open your mouth. Ah. Now you say it. Great job. Second sound with a little curl above the letter. This mark is called the.
Damma.
This sounds like ooh. Round your lips and say ooh, ooh, ooh. Like the sound of surprise. Now you say it. Ooh. Amazing. You're doing great. Third sound, E, with a mark below the letter. This mark is called.
Kasra.
This sounds like E. Say it. E. Yes, that's it. Amazing job. Subscribe for the next lesson. Yalla guys, let's grow yalla.